Hello and welcome to Link Juices. In this video I will show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail easily with Canva. Canva have many pre-made templates so you can have a starting point if you prefer this over a blank canvas. As you can see, there are thousands of templates, however some are not free, and are on the Pro version. So keep a lookout at what are free if you haven't got the Pro version. I'm going to go with a pre-made template so we can work around it. I want to have a person on the template, but first I want to add the background color we want, and get the shapes right for the template. Add in your heading. You can use different fonts if you wish, but I like this font so I'm going to stick with it. I wanted to see if the element already in this template looked good with the colors I wanted. It didn't, so I easily selected it and deleted it. Here you can edit pretty much anything, including highlighting single words with the color for your choice to make that word stand out. You can add some great effects to make the wording stand out too. I have made the wording pop with effects on the fonts. Canva have something called elements, which is anything from graphics to photos. I easily searched for a YouTube icon to add to the thumbnail. You can also manage singular parts of the template. If a part is riding over another, you can go into position settings and adjust forward or backward to make something blend into the background better, or to bring it forward. I wasn't liking just Canva as a word, so I searched Canva in Elements to use their logo instead, which is much more effective. I am trying to see what colors go best with the shapes in the corner to add some flair to the thumbnail, so it doesn't look flat. You'll also see another cool trick you can do with that soon. I'm also wanting to add in a different character for this thumbnail, and again as you can see a easy search in the photo element section of what I want and it brings up many to choose from. As I said earlier on, I'll be adding some extra flair to the thumbnail, and that's with a gradient, which I think highlights part of the thumbnail much better. And that's how you can easily create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. It's also easy to download too, just go over to Share on the top right, and download. JPEG is usually better for a YouTube thumbnail due to its smaller size as YouTube has a limit on the size of thumbnails. A few elements were parts of Canva Pro however. If you want to try Canva for free there will be a link in the description for you to check out. Thanks for watching.